Hey everyone! Today, we're sharing our experience with Besque Magic Body Oil, a skincare product that claims to repair the skin barrier, deeply hydrate, and leave skin glowing without greasiness. We've used it consistently for weeks, and here's the truth. The oil feels luxurious and absorbs faster than we expected, especially on damp skin after showering. Skin did feel smoother and less flaky within a few days, especially on elbows and legs. The formula includes jojoba oil, squalane, vitamin E, and essential oils, which do help with hydration and repairing dryness. But let's talk about the downsides. For sensitive skin, the natural fragrance and essential oils can cause irritation or small breakouts, especially on the chest or back. It's also expensive for the amount we get, and if we use daily, one bottle doesn't last very long. Pros: lightweight finish, absorbs well, improves texture and hydration, beautiful packaging, and non-sticky feel. Cons: pricey, scent may irritate sensitive skin, bottle empties fast, and not a miracle for severe eczema or barrier damage. So, is Besque Magic Body Oil worth buying? If you want a premium feeling body oil that adds glow and moderate hydration, it's a treat. But if we're expecting medical grade barrier repair or have very sensitive skin, you might want fragrance-free alternatives like CeraVe or Bioderma instead. This has been how to literally keep smart and simple and scam-free.